Hey guys, what a beautiful evening. Lots of clouds in the sky. Just come out to bail out my boat, check the water level. Got a nice big lagoon here. Nobody uses it. Got the whole thing to myself. What a day, what a day. Lots of clouds coming over the mountains. I don't know if you can see right there. There's still snow up there in the high ground. And this is, I don't know, middle of August. There's a little in her. Not too serious. We'll get her cleaned out. Good area for moose hunting over there. Even though it is park, but they allow so many moose taken every year because there's a overabundance of moose. Anyway, have a good night.